Hey y'all, this is Jesse. Figured I'd take the time, actually have the time today to do a video. I haven't done one in a while. So what we're going to do is we're just going to kind of go over this bag. This is a Gear for Free off Amazon. It's a little messenger style bag. It's a small one, but I plan on using this as everyday carry type thing for work and stuff like that, carry meds in and all that stuff. But I went ahead and just threw some stuff in it just to kind of give you an idea of what all it can carry. First, you got your little sling right there. This little part right here opens up, has a little slot there in the back. But what I do is I carry my Lumitop flashlight. It's not bad. Pretty bright. It works pretty good. Went ahead and did a little lanyard on it. Also comes with a little glow-in-the-dark cover for the lens. Set that over there. And then it also comes with a, I guess you could say, a water bottle holder. Has the clench system on it. Went ahead and threw a Magellan stainless steel cup on there. Right back here on the part that go up against you, there's a little pouch in there that has Velcro. For those of you that have your concealed carry permit, you can put one of your Velcro holsters in there and have it secured in there if need be. On the top has a little pouch. Went ahead and threw three of these canisters in there just to show you how much you can store in there. There was still plenty of room in that pouch. On the front you have Velcro here. Little pouch in here. Went ahead and threw bandana. Little button compass. Moving on to the side, there's a little pouch right here. It's not very big. It's probably about maybe 4 inches by 2 inches, but it's enough that you can probably put like a small multi-tool or something like that. You also have two little pin carriers on the side. What I did is I just threw some Ranger beads in there and a small knife. And then on the side you have some MOLLE webbing. Went ahead and threw a key clip on there. Then you have a side pocket. I went ahead and threw some MRE beef jerky in there. Some survival vitamins in there. These ain't so bad. They're made by Omega Outdoor in Emergency, but there's the nutrition facts on there. Not bad. And I put in some pocket bellows, the actual bellow and their Fire Bee fuses. So what else I put in there? Then this little back pocket, I threw some Ready Man survival cards in there. then behind that pocket is an actual open pocket. This, I just put in a little canister that's magnetic closure. This is what the Lumitop flashlight actually came in, but I'm still working on something to put in that. And then you open up to another couple of compartments. There's a loose compartment here. Went ahead and put a wire saw in there. In the next zipper pocket, a little bit more stuff. Actually have a space blanket, lighter, some O-rings for the containers, little Smith & Wesson flashlight, good old-fashioned Walmart paracord, a snap light, the ReadyMan. This right here, yeah, it's made by ReadyMan, but it's also their version of the 4-card stove. Basically what it is you get 4 cards of the same thing, and they just hook in together and basically make your little box for your stove. Everything that's on these cards will pop off, and you can use all the tools that are on it. So I carry that in the bag. Carry a Lansky's little pocket knife. And then the main bag has the old-fashioned rucksack closure where you can seal it up. But inside there is a mesh pocket on the back, and then a vinyl pocket on the front, and then you have your main open compartment. So what I ended up putting in on the vinyl pocket, I ended up putting, get it all out here, a wet fire cube, a small stringer, small package of fat wood, some fishing lure pieces, small fishing kit, little beeswax candle, some cordage, and some waterproof matches. In the main container, or excuse me, in the mesh pocket, what I went ahead and put in was a compact emergency signal panel. You can make that and use that for strips or anything, marking if you get lost. You can sit there and mark your way so you're not circling around. A cheap emergency blanket. With my back problems and stuff like that, I went to Dollar General and actually bought some Tiger Balm pain relieving patches. I always carry 4 of those with me. These actually tend to help. They're not bad. For $1, they work pretty good. In the main compartment is a small little first aid kit that has bandages, small roll of duct tape, some pain relieving pills, Q-tips, all that type of stuff. And then I also just put in my little EDC knife that I always carry with me, my little SOG. And then my belt pouch. that carries my Altoids 10, flashlight, ferro rod, all sorts of other stuff. I'll get into this here later in another video. And then just some few loose pieces of just different stuff on stuff that I'm working in. But that's all that this pouch carries. Excuse me, bag. Carries quite a bit. There's still a lot more room that this thing can spare. Like I said, this ain't set up just yet to the way I'm liking it. If you have any ideas on what to add to it, feel free, let me know. If any of y'all have a bag like this, let me know what you think. Other than that, holler at y'all later.